That black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samaya and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a minute, so I thought I'd bring you guys another one. And to make it a little bit different, I brought my dad here. So do you want to introduce yourself?
My name is Rodney Jackson, father, Mr. Jackson.
Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Hey, this is old man Jack doing a voiceover for my baby girl. She's starting off with doing a eye or makeup over her eyes, putting some gold stuff or something underneath. I don't think that's her skin tone, but it's looking very nice after she gets done. Taking a little time for me. I guess this is a shadow box of the Nubian by Julia. Doing some shades, blending, touching up. Another color palette she has here, touching up the highlights of her eyes. She blends really well. I wonder what it would look like if she did all this on a canvas. She does have artistic skills. That's blending rather nice. Nice fade, gold color there. Nice little brown on the end. Fenty. Hey, looks like Rihanna's makeup. More highlights, blending with the light and gold colors there. This is looking pretty nice there. Beautiful eyes. She gets them from her mother. Yeah, old man Jack don't have eyes like that. Okay, I think we're still using the same color palette or going back and forth with both of them. It's taking on a nice African or Asian look there to me. Nice blends and fades. A lot of patience to do all this. Very skillful. More eyeshadow. I think that's what you call all of this. More highlights. More layers. Like to touch up beautiful arched eyebrows. Go back, I guess that's a blend too with the brush. Blending it in with the highlights. I believe that's an eyeliner. Okay. I think eyeliner makes the eyes look bigger. Yeah, that looks nice. Has an Egyptian look to it now to me. Very beautiful. Very patient. I'd poke my eye out. Blush or shadow. What is this? More highlights? Wow, how many layers are we doing here? Does it take as long to wash off? It was this foundation. Okay. Looked like she broke her cap. This foundation, is this for the skin here? A lot of patience. Is this what us guys be waiting for before we go out? When you all are putting your makeup on? Okay, it's blending rather well. That looks nice. Fenty, more Rihanna. $370 and what was that, $490? Okay, so putting it on the edges, not sure, but does that make more highlights, make the chin look smaller or sharper? Or... Okay, I would assume this or that at the nose makes it look smaller. That's blending. More Fenty by Rihanna. Okay, more blending. Excellent. All right. More blushing, fading, blending. The eyes are beautiful. The foundation and skin looks very smooth. Okay, more highlights underneath the eyes now. On the chin. I guess when women do take their time to do all of this, it's well worth going out for. beautiful. Okay, not sure. More fading, blending, getting it back to the natural skin tone. There you go. Hey, hey, party on. Now working with the lips there, highlighting. Is that eyeliner on the lip? I like the way that defines the lips. That's nice. I am thankful to God that I am a man. I can get fully dressed in 15 minutes. Wow, now we're going for color. Okay, then we put gel on top of it. So that's what gives it the wet look. Okay, another color palette. So is this the sheen that we're working with? Okay, so after doing all this work, I guess this is where we get all the attitude, because we put in all this work. Okay, because if you notice, the further we go, the more she starts bouncing and filling. All right, skincare. Why are you going to put skincare on after you put all that stuff on? It ain't even touching your skin. I need some of that for my bald head. Oh, hey. Now that's what they call popping. Now, baby girl, you done did the damn thing. That's what's up.
Okay guys, so we've made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. But before we head out, make sure you do those 4 important things. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscription button, the notification bar, and share this with somebody you think would enjoy this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Oh, trying to grab a bit. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic.